cybercrust YouTube channel. So guys, today I'm back with a great announcement for you. I'm going to start a new series on Nmap. So guys, if you are already in the field of cybersecurity ethical hacking, so you are mostly familiar with this tool. But in the YouTube, you will find most of the playlist covers the theoretical part of the Nmap. But I came with a new theme. In this complete series, we are going to practice the lab environment questions in our lab setup. So guys, we will cover all the Nmap commands in our lab environment, and in this we are using Kali Linux as our attacking machine and the Metasploitable 2 as our victim machine. So in this complete series, we will cover all the commands of Nmap and we will follow the practical things. So guys, without wasting the time, let's dive into the computer screen and start this exciting series. So guys, now we are on our computer screen, and guys, you can see here we have the complete PPT. So here I will not cover the theoretical part. So guys, if you are not familiar with the Nmap, so this video is not for you. But if you have a prior knowledge, if you have a basic knowledge on Nmap, so guys, then you can follow this video. So in this complete video, we will only practice the lab questions, the commands of Nmap. So guys, here you can see I've selected some of the topics. Like here we have mostly covered the important commands and all. Here you can see we'll cover all these parts, we'll cover all these questions and we'll practice live. In this complete series, we will follow the ethical, the legal rules, and we will perform this attack, we will perform the scanning in our secure lab environment, and the machines is fully under control. Guys, now let's dive to our sandbox environment and let me show you the attacking machine and the victim machine setup. So guys, now you can see here we have started our VMware workstation. So it's loading, and now guys, here you can see we have two machines. One will be our attacking machine and another will be the victim machine. So guys, here you can see we have the Kali Linux. So this is our attacking machine. So here you can see the network configuration, and here you can see the network adapter I have set to NAT. And guys, here is our Metasploitable 2, and this will be our victim machine. We are going to perform the attack on this machine. So here you can see the network configuration. Here we have the network adapter as NAT and another one is host only. So guys, let's boot up this. So here you can see our Kali Linux is booting up, and also the Metasploitable 2 is also booting. So guys, this will take some time and it will be booted up. So guys, now we can perform the attack. We will use the Kali Linux as our attacking machine and Metasploitable for the victim machine. And guys, if you are not familiar with the Kali Linux or the Metasploitable 2, or if you have any doubt how to install all this and how to run this in the VMware, so I have complete video on this. So I will keep that in the I button so you can follow that to install the Kali Linux, to install the Metasploitable 2. So guys, yes, now we are all done. So in the upcoming videos, we will perform the attack, we will scan the network and we will solve the basic to advanced commands of Nmap. So guys, stay tuned and subscribe to cybercrust YouTube channel. Thank you.